Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 2, that is technical writing. In the last chapter, we talked about that there are two types of communication. One is oral communication and the another is written communication. Okay. But students, in organizations, there are many instances where written communication is preferred over the oral communication. When you start working in an organization, you will have to communicate many things through written communication. Though oral communication may be faster and easier, but written communication is preferred for particular cases where you cannot do away with just oral communication. When the information is large and complicated, and if diagrammatical or graphical representation is required for explanation, then you have to do written communication. And also it serves as a permanent record, proof, future reference, which helps in decision making and problem solving. It sometimes acts as a legal document. Hence, written communication must be done with utmost care. For example, business letters, technical reports, technical proposals, emails, notices, circulars, text messages. These are all are the some examples of the written communication. And every written communication has a specific purpose, content, and audience. Thus, a particular technique of writing and a specific format must be used. Okay, so this chapter is totally about the technical writing. So technical writing is what? It is an art and science to explain technical topics to the audience in such a way that they can understand it in a simple manner. Along with technical expertise, one need to know about good writing skills. A good writing consists of highly technical knowledge in simplest form. A poor technical writing results into disorientation of objectives, findings, and conclusion, whereas a good technical writing includes clear objectives, instructions, systematic format, and clearly states about its findings and well-defined conclusion. A good technical writing should contain clarity, accuracy, and descriptiveness. One has to take care while choosing language and grammar. जब हम रिटर्न कम्युनिकेशन की बात करते हैं तो हम कहते हैं कि it is a permanent record, proof, and future reference, okay, which helps in decision making and problem solving. So there should be very much accuracy, there should be clarity and descriptiveness when you go for the written communication. Okay. And there are so many cases when we can't go for the oral communication. We have to go for the written communication. Okay. So first is report writing. Report writing, then first thing becomes what is the meaning of the report? Because reporting is an important task in any organization. We see many reports in our surroundings like academic report, scientific report, medical report, and business report. Okay, so and they provide some facts or observations, progress of work, completion of work, an event of the past, progress of an organization, efforts made towards a goal, an analysis of a situation. Okay, so based on the topic, reports can be short or long and oral or written. Some reports give only the data or information, while other reports analyze that information based on the objective of that report. Okay, so basically, what is the meaning of a report? A report is a logical presentation of facts and information. It is self-explanatory statement which provides information to management for decision making and follows up actions. Report is a systematic presentation of established facts about a specific event or subject and is a summary of findings and recommendations about a particular matter or problem. So if we go for in a precise manner in a particular definition, then according to Oxford English Dictionary, a report is defined as an account given on a particular matter, especially in the form of an official document, after thorough investigation or consideration by an appointed person or body. Example, the chairman's annual report. Okay, so it is an account given on a particular matter. So now, quality of the good report. There are some characteristics, some quality for a report to be good. When we say that report is good, ऑब्वियसली जैसे हमने कम्युनिकेशन में कहा था कि इट इज गुड कम्युनिकेशन व्हेन द रिसीवर अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द सेंडर इज सेंट. Okay, similarly for the good report, it will be good when the receiver understands it. Okay, a lot of reports are written daily. Some of them are intended to document the progress of some activities, that is feasibility reports, investigation reports. Some of the reports are for monitoring purposes. Some are evaluation reports, but it is clear that all the reports have some objective and purpose behind it. Okay, whatever the nature of report, it will have some objective and purpose. Okay, and that objective and purpose can only be achieved if a report has following features or characteristics. So every report has objective and purpose. Okay, so it should be clear. It should be clear to the reader. The basic purpose of the report is what? That when the sender makes the report and it sends to the receiver, then receiver should understand the purpose of the report. Okay, so for this purpose, a report should have some features or characteristic, we can say. Okay, so first is precise. The purpose of the report should be clearly defined. Precision of the report provides the unity to the report and makes it a valuable document for best uses. It should be precise in nature. Report should be precise in nature. और जो purpose है इसका, जो objective है, it should be very very clearly defined, so that there should मतलब reader जो है उसका एक attention रहना चाहिए. It should be the attention catcher. Okay, कि उसका ध्यान नहीं जाए इधर उधर. जो clear objective है, it should be clear to the receiver. Okay. तो first हमने बताया कि what should be the characteristic of report? It should be precise in nature. Okay, but precise meaning the purpose of the report should be clearly defined. Then the second one is accuracy of facts. Information content in a report must be based on accurate fact. Since decisions are taken on the basis of reported information, any inaccurate information or statistic will lead to wrong decision. It will cause delay in achieving the organizational goal. जो भी आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, जो भी रिपोर्ट आप जनरेट कर रहे हो, इट शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन एक्यूरेट फैक्ट. ओके, अगर आपने इनएक्यूरेट इंफॉर्मेशन डाल दी उसके अंदर, रॉन्ग इंफॉर्मेशन अगर हमारी चली जाती है, तो इट विल अननेसेसरीली इट विल डिले इन अचीविंग द गोल. ओके, देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज रिलेवेंसी. The facts presented in a report should be relevant. Irrelevant facts make a report confusing and likely to mislead decision making. जो आप कंटेंट्स डाल रहे हो रिपोर्ट के अंदर, वो एक दूसरे के साथ रिलेवेंट होना चाहिए, रिलेटेड होना चाहिए. ओके, एल्स क्या होगा, आपने एक चीज लिखी, दूसरी चीज आपने बिल्कुल डिफरेंट लिखी, तो इट विल मेक द रिपोर्ट कंफ्यूजिंग. ओके, और अननेसेसरी डिसीजन मेकिंग में डिले होगा, मिसलीड होगा. ओके, then the next one is reader oriented. A report is read by various stakeholders. Stakeholders, we can say that कोई भी हो सकता है, customer हो सकता है, employee हो सकता है, right? A good report is always reader oriented. Reader's knowledge and level of understanding should be considered while writing the report. If the report is reader friendly, it is easy to read, remember and act on it. तो जब आप रिपोर्ट जनरेट करते हो, देन इट शुड बी क्लियर इन योर माइंड कि आपके रीडर कौन है, आपके रिपोर्ट को पढ़ने वाले जो है, आपके रीडर का नॉलेज क्या है, व्हाट इज द लेवल ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दैट रीडर. उनके बेस पर आपको अपनी रिपोर्ट जनरेट करनी है, सो दैट दे कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड द रिपोर्ट. ओके, एंड दे कैन इजीली एक्ट ऑन इट. नेक्स्ट वन इज सिंपल लैंग्वेज. अ रिपोर्ट शुड बी रिटन इन अ सिंपल लैंग्वेज, avoiding jargons and technical words for easy and clear understanding. The message of a good report should be self-explanatory. बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आपकी रिपोर्ट लिखी हुई होनी चाहिए. आपको अननेसेसरी डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स एंड टेक्निकल वर्ड्स जो हैं वो यूज नहीं लेने चाहिए फॉर द बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द रीडर. इट शुड बी self-explanatory. Next one is conciseness. A report should be brief and not be very long. Lengthy reports affect the reader's interest. Rather, it means that a good report is one that transmits maximum information with minimum words and completes in all respects. Report जो होनी चाहिए आपकी unnecessary lengthy नहीं होनी चाहिए. It should be brief ओके क्योंकि बहुत अगर आपने लंबी चौड़ी रिपोर्ट लिखती है, अननेसेसरी आपकी लेंथी रिपोर्ट है, तो रीडर उसमें ध्यान नहीं देता है। वो अननेसेसरी रीडर का अटेंशन वो ही कैच करता है जो उसके लिए रिक्वायर्ड आइटम है। ठीक है, वो मेन इंफॉर्मेशन चाहता है। अननेसेसरी आप रिपोर्ट के लेंथी कर दोगे तो वो मेन इंफॉर्मेशन तक पहुंच ही नहीं पाएगा। ठीक है, तो मैक्सिमम बेसिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है कि मैक्सिमम इंफॉर्मेशन विथ मिनिमम वर्ड्स, maximum information with minimum words. Okay, so it should be concise in nature, it should be brief. Next one is grammatically accurate. A good report should be free from grammatical errors. Any faulty construction of a sentence may make its meaning different to the reader's mind, and sometimes it may become confusing or ambiguous. आपको सेंड करने के पहले उसको एक बार चेक जरूर करना होता है कि वहां वो ग्रामेटिकल एरर तो नहीं है, क्योंकि ग्रामेटिकल एरर के वजह से क्या होता है, आप जो मैसेज कन्वे करना चाहते हो रीडर के पास वो मैसेज कन्वे होता ही नहीं है ना। आपने लिखा कुछ और है, रीडर को समझ कुछ और आता है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रामेटिकल एरर। ओके, सो बहुत ही एक्यूरेसी होनी चाहिए फॉर द ग्रामेटिकल पर्पस ऑन। ओके, सो दैट इट शुड नॉट मिसलीड द रीडर। ओके, देन नेक्स्ट वन इज अनबायस्ड, मतलब पार्शियल नहीं होना, पार्शियलिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए जब भी आप उसमें रिकमेंडेशन डालते हो। रिकमेंडेशंस मेड एट द एंड ऑफ अ रिपोर्ट शुड बी इम्पार्शियल एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव. It shall not be biased with the personal feelings of the reporter. They should come as logical conclusion for investigation and analysis. Okay, logical conclusion होना चाहिए for investigation and analysis purpose. Biasness नहीं होनी चाहिए, partiality नहीं होनी चाहिए. Okay, then the next one is clarity. Clarity depends on proper arrangement of facts. A good report is absolutely clear. Reporter should make its purpose clear, define its sources, state its findings, and finally make necessary recommendation. Clarity of facts enhances the quality of the report. Obviously, बहुत ही सिंपल सी चीज है, हमने जैसे स्टार्टिंग में कहा एवरी रिपोर्ट हैज इट्स पर्पस एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव. ओके, तो जितनी ज्यादा उसमें क्लैरिटी होगी, रीडर विल गेट द आइडिया ऑफ द सेंडर. ओके, एंड ही विल क्विकली गिव द feedback. And the last one is attractive. Obviously, a good report needs an attractive presentation. Structure, content, language, typing, and presentation style should be well designed to make a good impression in the mind of its reader. बहुत ही सिंपल सी चीज है, आपका पर्पस है, रिपोर्ट का पर्पस है, इट शुड बी अटेंशन कैचर. वो रीडर का ध्यान अट्रैक्ट करना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो बहुत ही, एक तो वो ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड होनी चाहिए, जो पर्पस है इट शुड बी क्लियर, it should be attractive, structure wise, content wise, language wise, presentation wise. It should catch the attention of the reader. So these are the some characteristic of a good report. Okay, thank you all.